All right, today we are going to be doing a demonstration on the item number 40745. These are the 8-inch blade sets, 22 teeth from Harbor Freight. I've did a review on them before, and I just kind of want to show really how they work and the best, how I use them and everything like that. We're going to take that wood and turn it into our new case for the dado blade sets, because the dado blade sets come in a plastic piece of crap case like that, and they just get knocked around. Hopefully they don't get chipped. What we're going to do now is we're going to put the dado blade stack in there, and I'm going to do the 2 side pieces and an 1/8 inch piece, and we're going to see where that comes out, and I'll go from there. Kind of hard to see with the sun there, so just made me a dado slot there, and you can see it got that little bit of a raised edge in there. So that's just I think what the price you have to pay for getting cheap Harbor Freight stuff. So I'm okay with it. So what I'm going to do is take this over to the get a chisel, knock it down a little bit, and then I'm going to try to find a piece that we can get in there to make our finger joint. Okay, I got my box joint jigs set up and tuned in. So now I'm going to take the walnut first and run it through there, and we'll see what happens. Alright, so here is the joints. They are not perfect by any means. You can see real close down there that you got that little notch that sticks out a little bit. So, but $27, I mean, this is a pretty sweet little thing. You can see there it was a little bit more gap there. That was probably me on the table saw making too many cuts. But for making a sweet little dado set stack there, I mean, it is what you pay for. So I ain't perfect. I use my box thing here and kind of cut it a little bit there, but really pleased with the way it kind of came out. So I do recommend getting them if you're just going to practice. If you already know what you're doing, you're not going to be buying these anyway. But if you don't know what you're doing, these are a great way to start and practice.